Welcome back to my country.
Let me tell you, the sunshine, the brightness, the sand, everything.
Prince Mantulu. Well, there is a dream. There is a future.
Hey, Michael, how are you? Good.
This is Kaba.
On the house, gentlemen?
Thanks.
I don't drink. All right.
Men of the Mantulu kingdom used to be warriors who could hold their drinks.
And the alcohol prohibition is forced on you by this country.
I do not drink.
The rule here is that you can't live until you drink.
Why?
He's worried that you will report him to authorities for selling alcohol.
Well, I will not put him, but I will stick to my faith.
No alcohol? Then drink this.
I must say, I appreciate the offer, my friend, but a rule's a rule. I do not drink.
What's that? What's going on?
Carlos, forgive my people. You see?
How you doing, sweetheart? Everything good? Happy? All right? You're a bunch of assholes. Get the fuck out of here, all of you. Send me pee or die!
Kaba, let's go.
Motherfucker, you drink piss.